Hi, we're back with question 6 on exam 5. So this question is a current liability question. We have a short-term note payable. It's going to have some interest payable. So those are current liabilities. On July 1, Coast Guard borrowed $400,000 cash on a 12-month 7% note. The principal and interest are due June 30, 2020. Record Coast Guard's journal entry for issuance of the note and the adjusting entry to accrue 6 months interest. Alright, so 2 journal entries, and they're pretty basic entries. We should be able to handle that. Okay, so first one, super easy. On 7/1, we get some cash, right? 400,000, and we sign a note payable. 400,000. All right. Next thing that happens, December 31. These 19. Okay. It's an adjusting entry, right? So that means no cash involved. We're going to have interest expense, right? Because interest has accumulated. Right? We owe that interest to somebody, and when you owe something, that's a liability. That's a liability called interest payable. Right? We've had this money, we borrowed it, and we've had it and been using it. It's accrued interest that we owe, so it needs to be in this year. It needs to be an expense because that's when we had the money. So we need to take care of it. We're not going to pay it for a while, so it's going to become a payable. All right, so how much? Well, you know our principal interest is equal to principal times rate times time. So that's 400,000 times, what's our rate? 7.07 times, and this is 6/12. Remember, could be 3/12 if it was only 3 months. So that's equal to 14,000. Right, so interest expense is 14,000, and interest payable is 14,000. All right, and next up we'll do our last question on the test.